Class 9, today I am going to start chapter 8 factorization. Okay, so this one is new for you, so please concentrate it properly. Okay, now what the question number exercise 8.1, question number 1. In question number 1, it is written x cube minus 3x plus 2. Okay, you have to factorize this one. Now, how you will factorize? First of all, in rough column, make a rough column. In rough column, what you will do, you will let x value here variable you have x, so you first of all you will let x value. I am taking, you will always start from 1. Okay, means x value you will take either minus 1 or 1. Okay, first you will take 1 and minus 1. So I am taking let x equals to 1. Okay, in factorization it is the rule that first whatever question it is given to you, first you will let that one. Okay, means whatever variable you have in this question, variable is x, so what I will do, I am letting x equals to 1. After that I will write this one, x cube minus 3x plus 2. I will write this one, and in place of x I will put 1. So here we have x cube means 1 cube minus 3, then x I will put 1 plus 2. 1 cube will give you 1, because 1 cube means multiplying 1 3 times. So 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. You will get 1 only. Okay. Now 3 into 1. If there is no sign, it means multiplication sign. So 3 into 1 will give you 3 plus 2. Okay. Now plus 1 and plus 2 will give you plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 will give you 0. If you are getting 0, it means you have to use this x equals to 1 to factorize this one. Okay, if you are getting 0. If you will not get 0, at that time you will let x equals to minus 1. If again it will not come 0, you have to let x equals to 2 or x equals to minus 2. Like this you have to let it. Okay, means x value you have to change each and every time if 0 is not coming. But first, when I am taking x equals to 1 and putting in this equation, this one, x cube minus 3x plus 2, then I am getting 0. It means we can use x equals to 1. Now how you will use this one? X equals to 1, it means that when you will take plus 1 this side, it will become minus 1. It means in this side RHS you have nothing. Plus 1 it is coming this side, it will become minus 1, and in RHS you have nothing, it means 0, means you have to take x minus 1. Okay, again I am repeating the thing. If you are getting 0, it means that you can use x equals to 1. Okay, now how you will use plus 1 will come this side, it will become minus 1, and in RHS you have nothing, it means, see, in RHS if you will take 1 this side, you will have nothing here, at that time you will put 0. Okay. Now how you will do this one? Leave some place here. First of all, you will write x minus 1, because I told you that I am getting x minus 1, so I will write that one. Okay, and tell me by which x we will multiply so that x cube will come. If we will multiply by x square with x, so I will get x cube. Again I am repeating, first I am writing x minus 1. Okay, then I need x cube, but I have only one x. So I have to multiply by x square to get x cube. That is why I am multiplying with x square. X square into x cube. Okay. Now this x square also multiply with this one. So plus minus x square into 1 x square. Okay. Now again you will write x minus 1 and you will leave some place here. Now what you will put here? See, in this factorization you have x square. No, you don't have, means you have to remove this x square. In this factorization you don't have x square. You have to remove this minus x square. So x is already here. You have to put plus x. So it will come x into x square, and plus plus plus. Now plus minus x into 1 x. You are getting minus x. Okay, now see here, minus x square plus x square will cancel. Why it will cancel? You will not show this one that after cancelling you are getting. Just you have to leave it like this only. Why I am telling you that it one will cancel? Because we need only this one, x cube minus 3x plus 2. We don't need x square. That is why we are doing. Okay, now again what you will do, you will write again x minus 1. Okay, now here what you will write, so that you will get minus 3. Minus x I already have, so I need minus 2x. Minus x I already have, I need minus 2x. So I will multiply by minus 2. Why? Because x is already here. So 2 into x minus 2x. See, minus minus plus 2x, if there is nothing means x. So I will get minus 3x. Now minus minus plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay, I am not getting place here, that is why I am writing here. Again I am repeating the thing. First of all, whatever factorization is given to you, that one you will let x value or a value or y value. In this question, variable is x, that is why I am letting let x equals to 1. When I am putting in this one, I am getting 0 in the last. If I am getting 0, then it is correct, we can proceed this one. Then what we will do, we will use this one, x equals to 1 plus 1 will go that side, it will become minus 1, means x minus 1 equals to 0. Now what you will do, you will leave one line here and you will start from the third line, first, second, third line. You will write x minus 1 here. Okay, you will write x minus 1 here. When you are writing x minus 1 here, you already have 1x, but you need x cube. So that is why I am multiplying with x square. So that x square into x will give you x cube. Now x square minus 1 will give you minus x square into 1. X square plus, here no sign means plus sign, plus minus x square. But you don't need this minus x square. Why? Because in your question x square is not present. So what you will do, you have to remove that one or eliminate that one. At that time what you will do, again you will write x minus 1. Okay, means 3 times you will write x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Okay, then you are putting x square. Why you are writing x square? To get x cube. When you are getting x cube as well as you are getting x square, minus x square also. Now you have to remove this one. How you will remove? Then x minus 1 you are writing. Now x is already present here. I have to write one more x into x square. So plus x square I am getting. Now minus x square plus x square can cancel, but you will not show that one. Okay. After that plus minus x into 1 x. Okay. You can write 1x also or x also. Both are same. Okay. Now you are getting x here, but you need minus 3x. Minus x is already here. You need 2 more x. Okay, so that is why I am writing x minus 1, then 2 into x, 2x, minus plus 2 into 1, 2. Now see, minus plus, so x plus 2x, you will get 3x and plus 2. You are getting the same thing. Now you will not see this one. What you will see? You will see this one. See, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 are common. So that is why you will write one time. Okay, means this one must be same. If it is coming same, then you will write one time. And what is left? X square here, then here plus x, then here minus 2. Okay, so you got x minus 1, x square plus x minus 2. This one is okay, but if it is possible to do middle term factorization, then you can also do middle term factorization. This one is not possible because it is linear equation. But if this one is x square, its power is 2. Then you can do middle term factor also. Okay, let me show you how to do middle term factor. I think you know, but I am again showing you. What you will do, you will write x square plus x minus 2. Means here you have 1, so I am not writing anything here. I am writing x square, then plus sign, then this x, and then minus 2. And now class 9, see how to do middle term factor. If you have here any number, you have to take LCM of this one. But if you have any number with x square also, suppose that I have 2 here. So first I have to multiply 2 into 2. Okay, so it is coming 4. Then we can take LCM of 4. Okay, if it is not possible, then at that time what I will do, only this number LCM I will take. So here I have 2 only, so 2 ones are 2. Okay, now here what you will write? Here what you will write? You will write such a number so that multiplication of that number you will get 2 and subtraction of that number you will get 1. You will always see this sign. Which sign you will see? This sign. Whatever sign it has, maybe plus or minus. Here in this question it is minus, means 2 into 1, 2, and 2 minus 1 will give you 1. Okay? Because LCM I am getting 2 and 1. So 2 into 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So our criteria is fulfilled that after multiplication you must get 2, because here we have in LCM we have 2, and after subtraction we must get 1. Why 1? Because with x we have 1, and why we are doing subtraction? Because we have here minus sign. So 2 minus 1 we will do here. Now x minus 1 I am writing as it is. I will open the bracket. So x square plus 2 into x, 2x, then plus minus 1 into x, then again minus 2. Now see, x minus 1, x, here we can take common from these two. You know how to do middle term. X plus 2. And here what you will do? Here nothing is common. It means this minus sign will become common, and nothing is common means 1 is common. X plus 2. X minus 1, then x plus 2, x plus 2. You will write x plus 2. Then x minus 1. Whatever left you will write x minus 1. Now x minus 1 2 times. So you will write x minus 1 whole square, x plus 2. This is your answer. Copy this one. Class 9, question number 3. It is given a cube minus 12a minus 16. You have to factorize this one. First of all, what is the first step? You have to let a value something. Means in this question variable is a, so we have to let a equals to 1. Okay, you will always start from 1, then go to minus 1, then 2, minus 2, like this. Okay, see. So first of all I am taking let a equals to 1. Now I am writing the given question a cube minus 12a minus 16. Now I am putting a equals to 1. So 1 cube minus 12 into, in place of a I am writing 1 minus 16. Okay, so 1 cube will give you 1, 12 into 1, 12 minus 16. Now you can see when you will add or subtract, suppose that plus minus 11 minus 16. So we are getting minus 27, which is wrong, because I told you whenever we are letting any variable value, either x, a, b, c, anything, it must come 0. If it is coming 0, then you can go further. So in a equals to 1, it is not come. Okay, now take minus 1. Now again I am taking minus 1. Okay, a value minus 1. Why I am writing the bracket? Because there is minus sign. Okay, so minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 will multiply 3 times. Minus plus minus minus. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So we will get minus 1. Shortcut is that when power is odd, then if you have minus sign you have to write. If you have power as an odd number, means minus 1, 3, 5, 7, like this. If power is odd, it means if you have minus sign, that minus sign you have to write. If you have even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, then at that time power will remove. Okay, now see, minus plus 12 into 1, 12 minus 16. Again minus plus 1, how much we will get? 13, 11 minus plus 11 minus 16. Again we are getting 0. No, we are not getting 0. We are getting how much? Plus minus sign, 16 minus 11, 5. Again we are not getting 0. Means we will not be able to take a equals to minus 1. Now come to a equals to 2. Let a equals to 2. Again a cube minus 12a minus 16. Now in place of a, what we will put? A equals to 2 means a equals to 2, 12 into 2 minus 16. 2 cube means 2 will multiply 3 times, means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 12 into 2, 24 minus 16. Now do this one, plus 8 minus 8. How much you will get? Plus minus Okay, plus minus minus, you will get minus 16, then again minus 16. Again you are getting 0. You are not getting 0 in this one also. You are getting minus 32. Again take minus 2. So I am giving minus 2. Now see, power is odd, it means minus sign will come. 2 cube will give you 8, minus minus plus 12 into 2, 24, minus 16. Now minus 8, minus 16, minus minus plus minus 24. You know minus minus plus 16 plus 8, 24. But which sign we will put? The greater number sign. Which one is greater, 8 or 16? 16, and with 16 we have minus sign. That is why I am putting minus sign. Minus sign 24 plus 24 as it is this one. So minus plus minus 20, minus 24 plus 24 will cancel. It means that a equals to minus 2 when you are taking, then you are getting 0. So what you will do here, you will take a plus 2 equals to 0. Means this minus 2 will go that side, it will become plus 2, and here in RHS you have nothing, means a plus 2 equals to 0. Now you will leave one line and you will write a plus 2 3 times. Okay, a plus 2 how many times? 3 times. Okay, why? Because we are getting a plus 2 equals to 0. So a plus 2 you will write 3 times. Now see, here you have x, but here you have a cube. So you have to multiply with a square to make it a cube. Now a square into a cube. A square into plus 2a square. But here we have no a square term. We have to remove this one. Now here we have a, but we need minus 2a square. So I will multiply with 2a. Why? Because here we have plus 2a square. I have to remove this one. To remove this one, I need the opposite sign. Here it is plus sign. Now I need minus sign. One a is already present, but I need 2a square. So I am multiplying with 2a. Now minus plus minus 2a into a, 2a square. Okay. Now again minus plus minus 2a into 2, 4a. But here I need minus 12a. I am getting only minus 4a. Okay. So I will multiply with 8 minus 8 by c. Minus plus minus 8 into 8, 8 into 8, 8a. Okay. So see, minus minus plus and 8 plus 4, 12. So you will get minus 12. Now minus plus minus 8 into 2, 16. Minus 16. Okay. So you can remove this one as well as you will get the same thing which you have there. Okay. But no need to show cancellation. Okay. Now after this, in this one, in this one, in this one, which one is common? A plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2. You will write one time a plus 2. What is that? A square minus 2a minus 8. Now this one is okay. If it is possible to factorize this one in doing middle term factor, then you have to do middle term factor also. Now see, here we have 1 and here we have 8. Means 8 into 1, 8, you have to take the LCM of 8, and after subtraction sign, which one you will see? This one, not this one. This one side you will see. After subtraction you must get 2. Okay, means after multiplication you must get 8 and after subtraction you must get 2. Multiplication one this one and subtraction one this one. Means multiplication 8 and subtraction 2. Now how you will do? 8 LCM I am taking. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Means you are getting 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this one is 8. Okay, now 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 into 2 you will get 8, and if you will subtract 4 minus 2, if you will do, you will again get 2. See, after multiplication you are getting 8, after subtraction you are getting 2. So this is the rule only. After multiplication you must get 8 and after subtraction you must get 2. So what you will do here, first you will give second bracket, you will write a square minus, then you will give this bracket, first bracket, then whatever variable you have you will write that one, then minus 8 you will write. Okay, now in this what you will write? 4 minus 2. because after subtraction you are getting 2 and I need 2. So 4 minus 2, and which sign you will see? This sign. Okay. Now a plus 2, I am opening the bracket. Okay. A square minus, with 4 you have plus sign, minus plus, minus 4 into a, 4a. Again minus minus plus, 2 into a, 2a. Then minus a. Now from this one, from the first two you have to take common. What is common? A is common, and what is there? A minus 2. Here what is common? Plus 2. Sign, this one sign you will take only. Okay, plus 2 will common, and if you are taking 2 common, a left from this one, and here 4 will left. And since you have minus sign, you will put minus sign. Sign will not change because you are taking plus as a common. Okay. Now see, a minus 4, a minus 4. Write one time. What is that? A plus 2. Now see, 2 times a plus 2, a plus 2. You can write a plus 2 whole square, a minus 4. This is your answer. Complete this one. Now class 9, see question number 5. X cube minus 19x minus 30. You have to factorize this one. First step is you have to let x value so that 0 will come. Okay. I am let x equals to minus 2. When I am letting x equals to minus 2, I am just putting value of my x equals to minus 2 in the given information. This x cube minus 19x minus 30. So x cube minus 19x minus 30. So in place of x I am putting minus 2, then minus 19. In place of x I am putting minus 2, then minus 30. Minus sign we have to write because power is odd. Whenever power is odd, you can write minus 2 cube will be 8. 2 cube means 2 will multiply 3 times. You will get 8. Now minus minus plus, 19 into 2, 38, then minus 30. Okay. Now minus 8 plus 30. Minus plus, minus 30 minus 38 minus 8, 30. Plus 30. Why plus 30? Because 38 is greater than 8. And which sign we will put? The number which is greater. Okay, so 38 is greater. With 38 we have plus sign, that is I am putting plus sign. Plus 30 minus 30 will cancel and it will give you 0. It means when you will take minus 2 this side, it will become plus 2. Means x plus 2 equals to 0. It means x plus 2 you will take. Okay, so I am writing in the third line, first, second, third line, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 3 times. Then with x plus 2, you have only x here, but you need x cube, means you have to multiply with x square. So that is why I am multiplying x square into x cube, x square into 2, 2x square. But we don't need plus 2x square because there is no term of x square. So I have to subtract, and since we have x here, we have to multiply with 2x only. So 2x into x square minus 2x square minus plus minus 2x into 2, 4x. Minus 4x I am taking, but I need minus 19x. So that is why I am multiplying with minus 15 into x. So minus plus minus 15 into x, 15x. See, minus minus plus 15 and 4 will add up and it will give you minus 19x. Minus plus minus 15 into 2, 30. Okay. Now this one same. So you are writing one time. What is that? X square minus 2x minus 15. X square minus 2x minus 15. Now if it is possible to do middle term, you have to do middle term also. If it is not possible, up to here is your answer. Okay, but in this question it is possible. Now we will take LCM of 15. Why? Because there is no number. So of course only 15 LCM we can take. 15 LCM will be 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Means 5 into 3 you will get 15, and 5 minus 3 you will get 2. Why I am doing subtraction? Because here we have subtraction sign. And 5 minus 3 I must get 2. Why? Because here I have 2. In this place only I am putting the bracket. It means we need 2 in this place. Okay? And subtraction, why I am doing subtraction? Because there is a minus sign. Okay? So that is why 5 minus 3, 2, 5 into 3, 15. I am getting, after multiplication I am getting 15. After subtraction I am getting 2. Okay? Now I am writing 5 minus 3, x square You will take common from these two and this two. So first I will write x plus 2 as it is. Now take common x. X is common. X minus 5 will left. X minus 5. Now in this two, 3 and 15. In 15 also 3 is present. Means 3 plus 3 is common. X left and minus 5 left. Sign is not changed because here we have plus sign. If we have plus sign, sign will not change. So x plus 2, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 5, then x plus 3. Okay? X minus 5, x minus 5, x plus 3. This is your answer. Copy this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 8.1, question number 2 and 4 only, and you will submit it in the given email ID. And if you have any query related to any question, you can ask me there. Okay? Thank you.